My phone is in my hand and I am reading beautifully written happy comments. You all have written this and I can't tell you how happy I am to have these comments in my hand and read out to you. Let's start. So Namrata, I've used your decodes and I think the price is not much compared to the feel and the texture and overall touch of it. Woohoo! Moreover, the look of the sari altogether changes wearing under the decode. Power of the decode. Thank you so much. Dolly, as someone who uses decode, this is written by Pooja, I must say it's all about comfort. The strings most time were painful and in decode one can carry it for hours. Veer Lakshmi, awesome, just awesome. No words to mention your love. Passion for the attire and spreading the joy of wearing a sari with so much ease for every one of us is grateful. We are so grateful for your concern and ideas for overcoming them. Wish you all love and hugs, loads of hugs and loads of emojis. Thank you so much. Pragati Bhattacharya, you have chosen a very important topic and explained everything so well. See, that's why I am a big fan. Sari is your thing and you prove it always. Big heart to you. Shrabani Paul, honestly, I can't find any words to express my respect to you after seeing this video. I don't know which video, but this. Can't imagine being already so much celebrated figure, you still think about it and genuinely solved. I watched you from the beginning but couldn't stop today commenting for the first time. I don't know you will get to see this or not, but lot of hearts and loves. Thank you. I always read all your comments. It's difficult for me to reply back to individual, promise I read all your comments and they come to me. So I keep telling my team कि तारीफ मेरे पास मत लाओ. ऐसा नहीं हो कि मैं फूल के ऊपर 7वें आसमान पे पहुंच जाऊं. बट हर वो चीज जो शायद किसी को कहीं डीकोड से प्रॉब्लम है, वो सबसे पहले मेरे पास आनी चाहिए, क्योंकि मुझे लगता है उस प्रॉब्लम को लेके मैं उनके जो प्रॉब्लम्स है उसको सॉल्व कर सकूंगी, रिजॉल्व कर सकूंगी. सो या, दैट्स इट. Okay, the lot. So, Akansha Singh, totally agree that decodes are addictive. Oh, once you start using it, never gonna turn back to the old ones. Just made a mission to buy rainbow color decode soon. All the best. Namrata, very true. Totally agree. I had ordered 2 decodes and I must say that it has improved my draping experience and gives a special look to the sari. Thanks a lot for sharing the very tiniest details about draping. Really, you are out of this world. Lot of love and respect for you and your work. Thank you so much. And now there's a big one. Supriya Das. Though I don't wear lehengas to weddings and social functions, and the last time I wore a lehenga was at my wedding sangeet 15 years ago with a non-can lining. But I can already relate to what you have showed in your video. The lehengas these days are so uncomfortable because of the can stiff material, and I have been seeing on reels how brides have to take support of 2 to 3 parlor staff to get into their lehengas. Not when you have a decode, flow, wave or bells. Your can skirt just seemed to be the right solution. Thank you for posting the practical problem of these can lehengas. Sometimes that none of the other women ever spoke about. Something that none of the other women ever spoke about. And on a separate note, congratulations for being a part of the National Handloom Day event and for sharing the space with the prominent personalities. You have come a long way and I wish you all the best for the remaining journey. Much love to you. Thank you so much. Beautifully written. Every word I feel just is from the heart and is straight to my heart. So someone has written a beautiful message, but their Instagram handle is UKJDDGBMKXKKXBNXNZN. I mean, I don't know what it is, but whatever it is, the message is beautiful. The way you teach us is so good and we understand it very easily. Find our mistakes easily, dear. Thanks, dear, for giving us information about the sari and the techniques that you always share. Thank you so much. There are so much to read. Every comment, if I sit and I read, I think 24 hours nahi, 24 into 7 become padega. But Seema ji writes, Dolly ji, you are an epitome of a grace, genuine lady, though so successful, you are one of a kind who still is so helpful to the public customer with great information. Thank you so much, Seema. I like sharing, informations because that's how I feel connected to you guys. मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि अगर मैं आपके साथ information share नहीं करूँगी तो somewhere I feel guilty because I'm hiding things from you, which I don't want to do. So Ehsaas, beautiful name. Your confidence, your explanation skill, everything is perfect. Thank you. By the name, it's a beautiful name once again. So next, and the last that I'm reading today is by Shweta Chaube. You are inspiring a lot of women who would shy of their size. And here you are, confident and helping many of us. Go, Dolly Jane. Thank you. I know when I started with, standing in a blouse and a decoat right in front of the camera, I was so hesitant. I really didn't know how to face the camera, face the public. But then I actually got so much of love from you guys. You said you look fabulous and you are one among us. And I feel a part of your family. And that's the reason I feel if you guys are loving me, I'm not bothered about anybody else. That's it.